Welcome to our video on how to get rid of dark circles under the eyes. Dark circles can be a real nuisance and can make you look tired and older than you actually are. But fear not, because there are some simple and effective ways to get rid of them. The first step to getting rid of dark circles is to determine the cause. Common causes include lack of sleep, dehydration, stress, allergies, and genetics. Once you know what's causing your dark circles, you can take steps to treat them. The first thing you can do is get more sleep. Aim for 9 hours of sleep each night. If you have trouble sleeping, try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. You can also make sure your bedroom is cool and dark and avoid using electronic devices before bedtime. Dehydration can also cause dark circles, so make sure you're drinking enough water. The general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces of water per day. You can also eat foods with high water content, like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery. Stress can also contribute to dark circles, so try to manage your stress levels. Exercise, yoga, and meditation are all great ways to reduce stress. You can also try deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation. If allergies are the cause of your dark circles, you may need to take medication or avoid allergens like dust or pollen. Talk to your doctor about the best course of treatment for your allergies. Finally, you can use an eye cream to help reduce the appearance of dark circles. Look for an eye cream that contains vitamin C, caffeine, or retinol. These ingredients can help brighten the skin and reduce puffiness. And there you have it, some simple and effective ways to get rid of dark circles under the eyes. Remember to get enough sleep, stay hydrated, manage your stress, treat your allergies, and use an eye cream.
Subscribe to our channel to know such interesting facts about health and body.